Master your pronunciation, utilizing self-assessment tools. Hello learners! Welcome to our exciting journey into pronunciation and accent reduction. Today, we're going to dive into a key part of your journey, assessing your current pronunciation skills. But not just that, we will focus on using self-assessment tools and resources. So, are you ready to understand where you stand and how you can improve? Let's get started. The first thing we need to understand is why self-assessment matters. It allows you to identify your own strengths and weaknesses. And, knowing where you currently stand with your English pronunciation will help you set realistic goals and create a personalized plan that suits your specific needs. Next, we'll talk about the various types of self-assessment tools you can use. 1. Recording tools. You can use your phone or computer to record yourself speaking. Then, play it back and see how well you can understand yourself. Are you articulating clearly? Are there any sounds that seem muddled or difficult to understand? 2. Peer feedback. Ask a friend or a language exchange partner to listen to you speak and give you feedback. They can point out which sounds or words are difficult for them to understand. 3. Language learning apps. Many language learning apps have features that allow you to record yourself and receive automated feedback on your pronunciation. Remember, each of these tools offers a unique perspective, so consider using a combination of them for a well-rounded assessment. Now that we understand the types of tools available, let's talk about how to use them effectively. First, choose a short piece of text. This could be a paragraph from a book or an article, or a few lines of a dialogue from a movie. Next, record yourself reading the text. Try to speak clearly and at a natural pace. Then, listen to the recording. Pay attention to your pronunciation. Look for any words that were difficult to say, or that you're unsure about. Finally, ask for feedback. If you're using a language learning app, this might be built in. Otherwise, ask a friend or language partner to listen to your recording and give their thoughts. After assessing, the next step is turning your assessment into action. Identify areas of improvement and focus on those. Practice the words or sounds that you find difficult, and record yourself again to track your progress. Remember, improvement is a gradual process, so don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. And that wraps up our discussion on using self-assessment tools and resources for pronunciation improvement. Remember, the goal isn't to erase your accent completely, but to improve your clarity and comprehension. So keep practicing, keep assessing, and watch as your English pronunciation blossoms. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide will support you on your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!